So one time when my mom was 85, she had a knee replacement operation, and usually her threshold for pain is very, very low. And she was really in pain in spite of all the painkillers and so on, and nothing could abate her pain. I tried everything. I tried reading stories, I tried playing audiobooks. Um, Nothing worked. And I started flicking the TV, and to my surprise, we got the Oman channel. And by the way, they have an amazing classical orchestra that plays all around the world, Vienna, etc. And I can't remember what they were playing that night, but it was so amazing, that piece of music, that I instantly felt uplifted, as if I'm outside time, space. And my mom and I just went into a trance, and we were listening. And a few minutes later, she put her head on my chest, and then she picked up, her head, and she said, "Wow, what was that? I felt I was floating above time." These were her words. And I thought, wow, if you get the rhythm right, if you get the time right, our bodies, physical bodies, really react to it.